Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel No Salesforce. Today we are going to learn about how to create list view. So today I will demonstrate how to create list view on opportunity objects. So I want to see the all opportunities which are lost. So for that I need to create one list view where I can see the all lost opportunities. So for that, here is the gear icon. Click on that gear icon, then click on new button. So give the list view name. So, lost opportunity. Okay, and here who can see this list view? So only I can see this list view, so it will be see myself only, so all users can see this list view, and so all users can see this list views, means anyone from this org will able to see this list view. Share list view with groups of users. So here is the roles and subordinate option. So if you select the role on left side and search the role as CEO, so you can add multiple roles. So I will try to add another one. Yeah, in this way you can add multiple roles and share this list to the roles. So the users which have these roles, so those users will able to see this list view. And if you want to show this list view to roles and their subordinates, so uh, if the this role contains subordinate, so that subordinate also able to see this list view. So now I will just select option number second. All users can see this list view. Okay, click on this save button. Okay, here you can see the filters. So here all opportunities means any people, any users who created this opportunity. So all those opportunities I will able to see here. My opportunities means the opportunities which are created by my users, only those opportunities I can see if I use this my opportunities option. So I will click on all opportunities and click on that. So all opportunities will able to see here. Then I will add one more filter because I want to show only lost opportunities. So for lost opportunities, how we'll identify these opportunities lost by using stage field. So I will select stage field. When stage field equals to lost, click on done, and then here you can see the filters. We have set the filters. Stage equals close lost means the opportunities which having stage close lost. So I want to show only those opportunities. So here when you click on save, then you can see the opportunities which are in lost status. So currently there is no any opportunity is in lost stage, so that's why you are not able to see it. But I will make any opportunity to lost. Okay, lost. Okay, yeah, and so I will make the second opportunity as well. Lost. Okay, yeah. So I will select my list view. Now you can see the lost opportunities will able to see on this lost opportunity list view. If you want to add any field into this above fields, then go to the click on this gear icon, then here you can see select field to display. So I want to add owner full name, quantity I want to add, probability I don't want, so lead source I want to add. So here you can see those two fields gets added. When you click on save, you can see in last the two fields gets added. Okay, if you want to clone rename, you can, by using this rename option, you can rename the label list view name. You will not able to rename API name, but you can rename name. Then after sharing setting, you can change the sharing setting by using this option. List filters, here if you want to add any another filter, you can add it by click on this add filter. If you want to add any logic, custom logic, filter logic you want to add, just click on this filter logic and add it. So I do not want it, so I'll click on remove. By default it will take and. Okay, then if you want to delete, you can click on this delete button. uh, yes, I think that's it for the list view. So yeah, thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and do let me know if you have any question. Thanks.